Hello, this is Mrs. Z. Today we're talking about make like units and add fractions and mix numbers. So it is grade 5, Mission 3, lesson 9, exit ticket. This is Mrs. Z. Today is December 8th, 1924. 2024. I was 1996 born, so long ago. Okay, make like units and add. So I have a 1/6 and 3/4 to add. The sixth and fourths are not the same size fractions, so I needed to find and cut them in small pieces. There's a two chance that I can do. I can think about 6 times 4 and 4 times 6, which will give me a 24. That's one way to do it. So let's think about 1/6 times 4 plus 3/4 times 6. Okay. When I do that, I will get 1/6 to be 4 24ths, and 3 times 6 is 18 24ths. When I add 8, 4, and 18, I will get 22 24ths. So the answer is 22 24ths. Then that could be simplified by dividing with same number. Greatest common factor would be the for both. It should be 2. So when we find that, 22 divided by 2 is 11. And 24 divided by 2 is 12. So this is 11/12 will be our simplified answer. The both answers are correct, 22 24ths or 11/12. Another version would be if you go and take the least common denominator, and which will help you if you try skip count by 6, 12, 18, and then by 4, 4, 8, 12. You see that both have least common number that they can be made. 6 times 2 makes 12, and 4 times 3 makes 12. So least common denominator, then we can change 6 and 4 into is 12. So now a second option is 1/6 times 2 plus 3/4 times 3. So now 1/6 becomes 2/12, and 3/4 becomes 9/12. And that gave us 11/12, which is already simplest form. So these are two different ways to do, thinking about greatest common factor like 24, and then the least common factor, which is 12. So that would be, so 1/6 plus 3/4 is equals to 11/12. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one is 1/2 and 1/2 plus 2/5. So I like to have this 1/2 plus, and then 1/2 plus 2/5 separately. Okay, those are parts, and this is a whole. So now I'm going to change the parts into the same sizes of fractions. So we'll make 10 as the least common denominator. So 1 plus 1/2 is 5/10, and 2/5 is 4/10. So together that would be 1 plus 9/10. And combining 1 and 9/10, answer is 1 and 9/10. We can simplify this because 9 is not it's not divisible by 2 or by 5, and 10 is divisible by 2 or 5. So you can't simplify 9, 12. They have no greatest common factor. So that will be exit ticket, grade 5, lesson 9, mission 3. Okay, that was Mrs. Z. Thank you for listening.